Dear students, today we will study The Lost Child written by Mulk Raj Anand. This is the story related to a child. It was the festival of spring. People in a large number were going towards the spring fair. Wherever we saw, we could see a large number of rural people coming from different directions. A child was also going to the fair along with his parents. Whatever he saw on the way, he was attracted towards them. He saw mustard field, golden yellow flowers attracted him. Butterflies were flying and he tried to catch some of them, but his lever went in vain. Once, when he was about to catch a butterfly, one of his parents called him and he obeyed his order. He moved forward. On the way, what lovely things he saw. He tried to stop and see, but hearing the call of his parents, he moved forward. He saw different shops. First of all, he saw toy shops. He wanted to buy toy. He requested his father, but his father turned down his request. He moved forward. He saw sweet shop. Burfi enticed him. He again requested his father, but he paid no attention to his requests. So he moved forward. He saw flower shop. He wanted to buy a garland of gulmohar. He made request, but again it was rejected. He moved and saw balloons of different colors. He requested to buy some of the balloons, but again his request was turned down. He saw a roundabout. He could not control over his emotions. He requested his parents. He wanted to have a ride. But when he saw he could not find his parents there, the time stopped. He suddenly started to cry and ran about hither and thither. He searched his parents, but he could not get it. He tried to run and weep. At last he got tired. A gentleman picked him up in a crowd when he was about to be crushed. He wanted to console the child by offering him whatever was in the market, in the fair, like flower garland, sweets, balloons of different colors. Even Snake Charmer was playing flute where he had wanted to enjoy the music, but he did not want anything. He continued to cry, I want my father, I want my mother. This story shows that the importance of parents is greater than anything he likes.